してるより愛してることを伝えること
Well, hello there. Ma Terry here along with our fabulous little co-star, Miss Lucy, and I wanted to show you my new little butane stove. And by little, I mean it is really, really tiny. So I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of one that you can find in any camping store, which is full size, and show you the two differences between the two. All right, here we go. So both of these work the same way. I mean, basically you just pull this down and there's my little canister of butane, and then to light it, let's see if we can get it. And we have fire. That's it. Very, very simple. And now I'll undo that. So this is the big one that I got at the camping stove store, and both of them are about anywhere from $25 to $35. And this is the cute one that I got at Wabi Sabi, and they have different ones. And let me show you one of the major differences is, okay, we can tell this is a lot smaller. It fits square that way, but closed it up, it's way, way smaller. But there is one big, very important difference, and I'll show you in a minute. And you can see it has the same lock and unlock and auto ignition and everything. I don't have a butane stove in, so it won't work. But let me show you the other major difference. Both of the stove cups come off for easy cleaning, right? All right, there you go. All right, so here's the difference. See how low this is right here? And this is pretty high. All right, I'm gonna show you why I like that one. I love this one, don't get me wrong. I like them both, but for stow and go, this is why I like that one over this one, but they're both great quality. All right, so this little range thing, on this one, I can flip it around and look how flush that is. That's really is smooth. This one, because of the way that's laid out, nope, can't do it, so it has to go that way all the time. So the choice is really up to you. Both are really good quality, and it's your decision. Well, the important thing to me is both of them are very durable, so you can't really go wrong with either one. I just like the one because it stows a little bit nicer for the little bit of space that I have, but the other one folds up nicely in its container too. So anyhow, what will Miss Lucy and I do? We will see you all down the road.